Welcome back to Thistle Hill Farmstead. My name's Todd, and today we're going to be replacing the front shocks on our little golf cart here. It is an E-Z-GO ST model golf cart, and we use it around the farm, and here lately we've noticed that it's riding a bit rough. We bought it used, and I don't really know what year model it is, and it's, to my knowledge, never had any work done on the shocks or suspension or anything. So today I'm going to replace the front shocks. I have another video where I replace the back shocks. So if you're interested in that, look in the description below and I'll put a link to that. So let's do it. Okay, let's take a look at the front. I've turned the buggy around so that it's in the garage front ways now. And here are the shocks on the front. Now these little plastic, these are yellow things, they're just little plastic covers that somebody put on there to make it look a little spiffier, but that's no kind of special shock, that's just a cover. So yeah, I don't know if I'll take those off and put them on the new ones or not, but we'll see. All right, the first thing we need to do to get to the bolts that hold the upper part of the shock in is to remove this plastic piece here, and on mine it comes off, I believe, with these 3 screws right here. So let me set the camera up and we'll pop those screws out and see if that'll give us access to the top of the shock tower there. All right, let's see if I can get up in there and get those 3 bolts off there. Okay, so those are out. Now you see this piece, it's movable now, so I can get my hand and a wrench up in here to get to the top of those shock bolts now. And let's see if that is a still a 9/16 on that. Hopefully they're all the same. Let's see. Okay. Is that the right way? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Let me cut this off because that's twisting that little thing all around. Let me just get some cutters and work on that. All right, let's snip that bad boy off of there so it's not getting all tangled up. There we go. Now let me see if I can swing it off, twist it off. All right, first one off. Now let's take this bottom nut off. All right, it's off. All right, let's see if we can get this this other shock in. I don't think I'm going to put those little rubber yellow things back on. Again, they're just for looks. And I'm not really that concerned about how sporty we're looking. I'm more concerned about how it's going to ride. Let me make sure these are long enough, because these ones on the front look a little bit bigger than the ones that were on the back. Yeah, I guess that'll do. So let me put my little bushing on, my washer, my first nut. Now I'll go up top and see if I can get the ones on up there. Let me see if I can hold it with my wrench now and tighten that up a bit. Okay, bottom one. Oh yeah. Okay, there's the first one. Let's do the second one. Oh, look at that. That's a mess. Yeah. I don't know if you were able to see that or not, but all of that, I don't know if that's oil from the shock or just water that got trapped in this little boot here. Either way, it's not good. So I'm glad I'm not going to put those little boots back on. Like I said, they're just cosmetic. Okay, there we go. Of course, I need to button back up that access panel for all the wiring, so let's do that. And then we'll take it for a spin. Okay. All right, so I've got everything back in place and buttoned up. I didn't put those little yellow things back on. I don't know, they're just for looks, and they seem to hold water, and they don't serve any functional purpose. They're just for looks. So, we got them on, front and back. So let's take her for a spin, see how she rides. So that was replacing the front shocks in our E-Z-GO golf cart. I hope you found this video entertaining and maybe even helpful. If you did, please press that like button. It really helps the channel out a lot. And if you like these types of videos, please subscribe to the channel. I post new videos all the time, and be sure to ring that bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you'll get notified.